Paula here from Goes to 11 Media, bringing you another episode of Grounds for Divorce Coffee Reviews. And I'm joined here by my husband, Rick. Hi, baby.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. I'm real happy to see you got over your second COVID shot.
Yeah, kicked the crap out of me for a couple, 2-3 days, but we're back.
Only 2-3 days.
Yeah, because the last one was like a week, so this was a pleasant surprise.
I wonder if they did some studies to see, like, men versus women, who had the worst reactions.
I don't know if you watch the thing on the internet, they talk about the man flu and all the rest.
Yes, and you've always had a touch of that when it comes around.
What you talking about, Will?
I think I was just insulted.
You're just my baby, that's all.
I'm not a baby, I'm a man. I'm a man who discovered the wheel and built the Eiffel Tower out of metal and brawn.
Thank you very much. I have a new shirt, folks. Look at that. Batman's Joker. Loving it. Loving it.
Aren't you lucky?
I am. She must have got tired of all the crying and whining about not having enough shirts. So, thank you. This is great.
I got it because I know how much you like Batman.
And they were cheap.
They're cheap!
So, hey, you can't go wrong because t-shirts are not typically cheap. They're typically expensive.
They can be.
Typically.
They can be. When you have like a collection of over 100, add that up.
I don't have over 100. No.
Okay.
Maybe 60 or 70, but not over 100.
And I'm sure you haven't gone through all of them.
Oh, there's some that I didn't do, but now I have to say you've done some magnificent work here. I have been anxiously waiting to try these amazing little treats. Now, you went to your mom's this morning.
I did.
Thank you, Maria. And you guys made some scones. Now,
well, I have to explain. My mom wanted to use her recipe.
Okay.
Because you like her scones, right? Yeah. But you like to also go to a store and purchase premix of scone premix. Yeah?
When you're talking about like the Bisquick stuff?
Yeah, but it's for scones.
Okay.
It's specifically for scones.
Okay. I like to
I make pancakes out of it too.
It's good.
Yeah. But it turned out fine. I found it was a bit too salty. And when my mom makes hers, she puts sugar in there. There was no sugar inside the actual mix.
Okay. Now, I did cheat and try some earlier.
He did.
And it didn't taste salty to me.
Really?
Yeah, no, it didn't.
Huh.
Now, there's some stuff that you've done here since that I haven't tried, so I'm excited to try this.
Yeah.
But there's a whipped type cream cheese.
Yes. It's cream cheese icing that you'd use for cakes, cupcakes.
It's, but that's not just like a regular cream cheese icing. Like this one it's light and fluffy, and oh my goodness, it is so amazing. You did a fantastic job on that.
Thank you.
Then I know you did the chocolate, and you got some drizzle, and then you did a white chocolate, and then you also got a raspberry. Now, what's the raspberry in the base?
You'll have to try it, but first we're gonna taste test the coffees.
Getting ahead of myself.
So I went to a cute cafe in Coquitlam, British Columbia.
Now, was that A-C-U-T-E or A-C-U-T-E? She's spelling it in her head right now going, what?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
You said you went to a cute... You went to a cute cafe. A cute
nice.
cafe. So I was thinking, is acute, is it like, an acute case of a cafe, or is it just a cute cafe?
Oh, God. Creekside. I know, you're trying to get a rise out of me. It's not working. Not really.
Continue.
Creekside Cafe. They roast their own beans. They have their house blend, which they use for their lattes, their espresso. And they have, so that one is a medium dark roast. And then I also purchased their Mexican beans, which is medium roast.
I thought I saw them jumping around there.
Yeah. Too so funny.
I'm sorry, guys.
So they do their own roasting. Lots of great reviews on their website.
Where are they?
Barnett and I believe Lansdowne.
In Coquitlam.
Yeah.
Okay.
So right off the Barnett there. Yeah.
All right.
And
now let's go. Let's try this.
okay. Okay, let's try the Mexican first.
Playing the Mexican hat song.
This is nice.
I wouldn't know.
Because I want to try it. Very nice. I'm getting almost a walnutty pecan aftertaste to it. A lingering.
That's interesting.
Very nice.
There is a walnut.
Yeah.
There is like a walnut hit. It's at the end. Mm-hmm. It's like an after residual.
Yeah. It's very smooth.
Yeah.
And then it mellows out into...
Yeah, that's interesting because if you've ever eaten walnuts, and it typically comes from the skin of the walnut, you know, on the nut. It's that sort of like a little bit of the bitter, bitter nut taste.
Good, honey. He agreed with me. Or I agreed with you.
She told me I had to.
No. No. No.
What do we? This one here now?
Yes, that's the house blend.
Please feel free to take the mug
I
and
will,
help
because
yourself.
it's much neater and proper. Sorry for
It still dribbles over your mouth.
Definitely a darker roast.
Okay, you can just move your hair out of the way for a second. I can grab one.
It almost has like a red wine look to it.
Cue UB40 right now. Red wine.
Oh.
This one is it's definitely a more
Powerful. It's got more of a punch to it. Excuse me.
You know what I was gonna say? It doesn't have the same after note as that. Like it's
Totally different.
a lot different.
So this is a blended coffee. I'm not sure if this is a blend of Mexican or if it's just one bean. I tried asking them at the cafe. The girls there were so cute, but they didn't know.
Okay. Cool. All
right.
Good job, guys. So
Okay, I got some milk. Should we try it with some milk?
you go ahead. I'm gonna try. This is
I'm gonna try this one with
the
milk.
iced coffee.
Yep. I like the Mexican. We've tried other Mexican beans and they were good too.
What was this? Did you use for the base?
You didn't mix it.
It's really good.
This is oat milk,
I have to tell you, folks.
vanilla, oat milk. Rick hates oat milk.
I am a convert on this oat milk when it's served cold like this.
And I'll say it again, it's because I didn't steam it.
Yeah, you got it.
I'll mix this one.
Yeah, really, really good. I like that a lot. And is there sugar in there?
Okay, so I have to confess.
You put in some of the creamer stuff in there, didn't you?
There is a vanilla oat creamer, and they do put sugar in it. So there is
You put
sugar.
that in there, didn't you?
And then I get the vanilla. Sorry, I've been stirring this and making lots of noise. And then I take a vanilla unsweetened oat milk, and then I pour that in there. So just a little bit of the creamer one, and then the majority would be the
She was so mad at me there about a week or so ago. It's like, man, this stuff's sweet, and I used like the whole glass was the creamer version. It was just like, whoa, because it's quite sweet with that creamer.
Yeah, but I didn't use.
No.
Like, I used maybe an inch.
But it's tasty though. Wow.
Yeah, and then a bunch of ice.
And you know what? Making that at home versus buying that at a chain coffee shop.
Oh, this is so good.
Yep.
You like that?
Oh, it's a dessert item itself, you know?
In a way, like you don't need to put that sweetened creamer, oat creamer.
I typically, when I make my iced coffees, and if I'm using just the oat milk, it's good.
And
all right.
so yeah, like the darker roast.
Moving along.
You can, if you're more of a dark roast,
Help
I
yourself.
would go for this.
Just keep doing
You know, just stop it.
Do what you're doing.
I like it. It's really cold, so that's feeling really awesome. Okay, onwards.
So,
remember, I haven't really tried that yet. Oh, thank you.
it is
So
awesome.
these scones, I super ground several tablespoons of, which one did I use? I think I used the house blend, but anyways, super fine. Like more like if it was, I needed to do on our Breville barista machine, I have to do about a 7 for the grind.
So, but that's
For the lattes.
yeah.
So it pours properly. But with this, for baking, I did extra fat. So I went down to like 0.
She's talking, so I'm going in for this one. She hasn't even tried that one. It's so good.
Whoever has a good...
I know what that is. That's yogurt.
Yeah. How do you like it?
We're going back to the cream cheese.
Oh, you like that one the best? Did you try the chocolate?
I did. I've tried all of them, and they're all really, really good. And the yogurt one's good too. A little bit, maybe you'd have to really do that process of draining the water out of the yogurt
Yeah, I did.
and turn it into almost like a cream cheese.
Yeah,
Because it'd be way too watery, right?
Oh, you're going to let me try.
That is awesome. Absolutely.
This is awesome.
Wow. That, I can't emphasize enough. If you're a chocolate person, you're going to like the chocolate ones too. They're really good. The yogurt one is definitely a... oh, she's going to be quiet for a while. The cream cheese one is amazing. So, you got to try that. Anyways, folks, thank you so much. Paula, thank you. Great job as usual. I'm going to let her just do her thing over there. And, folks, please hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Give us a like. It helps us, this video out to other people. And also, if you can check out our store, groundsfordivorcecoffee.ca or groundsfordivorcecoffee.store if you're outside of Canada, US or international. Thank you so much, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Ciao, ciao for now, guys.
See you later.
Bye-bye.